Here's a good one. A horse walks into a bar, and the bartender says, "Hey, no animals in here!"
Knuckles, what happened?
If I had to guess, I'd say I was knocked into a wall.
Correction. Pummeled into a wall.
Shadow, what are you doing here?
Fox hunting.
I'm gonna need a 3-camera setup and a 4th giving me an overhead view. Move, move, move!
Good thing I took that shadow boxing class.
Don't worry, Nuts, I got him.
Oh man, my video game's gonna be so epic!
That was almost too easy.
Well, it ain't over yet.
Get it on!
That all you got?
We're just getting started.
Ooh, that'll make for some great cutscene dialogue.
Sonic,
Help me!
Hello, Ed boys. Any doors yet?
Shadow, what have you done?
I was born to be wild, but the cake was too small.